Welcome to Maximising Efficiency with Dext. Earlier this year, we released our amazing mileage functionality, so you don't need to use multiple different apps to track your mileage. You can do it directly from within the Dext app now. And guess what? It's free of charge. So I'm going to jump in and show you how to do it from the mobile phone, and one enhancement that we've made recently that makes it even that much better. So here we are in the mobile app, live and direct, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So here we are within the Dext app. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my lovely face there and go ahead right to the bottom. So you see our normal picture icon down there at the bottom. What we can do now is click the little up arrow right next to that camera angle, and we can see that create mileage claim right there. Go ahead, select that, and it's going to give us two options. So historically, when we've looked at our mileage feature, I've always done this manually, where you go in, you put your postcode to and from in there, and it calculates the mileage for you. Now what you can do is the GPS tracking. Okay, so go ahead, click that, start GPS tracking. All I need to do now is get in the car and then travel along my journey. Make sure your settings so the Dext app can always see your location. And when you get to your final destination, go ahead and click that finish button. From there, it will create the mileage claim right from here, your vehicle, where you've traveled to and from, the distance, and you can go ahead and add any sort of additional information you want there. Have you traveled with any passengers or anything like that? Go ahead and click create, and that will create the document for you. But in this scenario, obviously, we haven't traveled 1 mile to earn that lovely 45p. So we're going to go back in our car and drive a little bit more. But I'm going to jump back into the desktop version to show you what that would look like in practice. Okay, so we're back in Dext, and in true Blue Peter fashion, here is a mileage claim that's previously been created using our GPS tracker. As you can see here, it's a nice clean PDF document. It gives information of where we've traveled to and from. It gives information of the map that we've traveled, the rates in which we've claimed the tax back out. It can work out based on our previous settings, whether it's a company vehicle, a personal vehicle, how many miles we've traveled so far in the year, so you and your clients don't have to worry about it. So mileage has never been so easy, especially now we've got the GPS tracker that takes that journey one step further. We look forward to seeing you next time on Maximising Efficiency with Dext. I've been Max Whiteley, and this has been Mileage GPS Tracking.